Stepping into stillness, an introduction to Zen. In today's fast-paced world, many of us crave peace and clarity. Zen Buddhism offers a path towards this inner stillness. Zen, a branch of Mahayana Buddhism, emphasizes direct experience and self-discovery. It is not a religion filled with rituals or dogma. Instead, Zen encourages us to find truth through direct observation and mindful living. Imagine a quiet pond reflecting the sky and trees with perfect clarity. Zen Buddhism is like that still pond, helping us see the true nature of ourselves and the world around us. Unfolding the path, a journey through this essay. Our exploration begins with a journey back in time. We will trace the origins of Zen Buddhism, starting from its roots in India. We'll follow its path as it traveled to China, evolving into Chan Buddhism. Then we'll see how it crossed over to Japan, where it became known as Zen. From its historical roots, we'll delve into the core principles that define Zen. We will explore concepts like zazen, the practice of seated meditation. We'll also understand the importance of simplicity in Zen philosophy. Zen offers practical wisdom that we can apply to our modern lives. By embracing Zen's teachings, we can cultivate inner peace and live with more intention and purpose. The Indian seed, tracing Zen's origins. Zen Buddhism traces its roots back to India. It originated from the teachings of Siddhartha Gautama, the historical Buddha. Buddha's teachings emphasized liberation from suffering through mindful living. Zen emerged as a distinct school within Mahayana Buddhism. Central to Zen's Indian origins is the concept of dhyana, a state of deep meditative absorption. Zen places particular emphasis on this meditative practice, which evolved into zazen. Zen's Indian heritage is evident in its emphasis on direct experience over scriptural study. This emphasis on direct experience would become a defining characteristic of Zen. Blossoming in the East, Zen's journey to China and Japan. Around the 6th century CE, Zen Buddhism began its journey eastward, carried by Bodhidharma. In China, Zen became known as Chan Buddhism and flourished for centuries. Chinese Chan masters emphasized the importance of direct transmission of wisdom. One famous story involves Bodhidharma and Emperor Wu of Liang. Bodhidharma's reply to the emperor, "Vast emptiness, nothing sacred." From China, Zen Buddhism spread to Japan, where it became deeply ingrained in Japanese culture. Zen's influence on Japanese art, poetry, and aesthetics is undeniable. Guardians of the flame key figures in Zen history. Zen Buddhism has been shaped by remarkable individuals known as Zen masters. Bodhidharma, the founder of Zen in China, emphasized meditation and direct teaching. Linji Yixuan developed the Linji Rinzai school, known for its use of shouting and paradoxical questions. Linji's teachings emphasized the immediacy of enlightenment. In Japan, Dogen Zenji founded the Soto school, emphasizing shikantaza, or just sitting meditation. Dogen taught that enlightenment is an ever-present reality realized through dedicated practice. These masters played a crucial role in preserving and propagating Zen's wisdom. Zazen, the heart of Zen practice. At the core of Zen Buddhism lies zazen, the practice of seated meditation. Zazen is seen as the gateway to enlightenment. It is a disciplined practice of training the mind to become still. Traditionally, zazen is practiced sitting on a cushion, called a zafu. The posture is upright, yet relaxed, with the spine straight. The breath becomes an anchor, guiding the practitioner to the present moment. During zazen, thoughts may arise and pass like clouds across the sky. The key is to observe them without judgment. Zazen is a practice of patience and perseverance, influencing our daily life. Mindfulness, bringing Zen into every moment. Mindfulness is the practice of bringing Zen awareness into every aspect of our lives. It is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. Mindfulness can be cultivated through simple, everyday activities. Whether eating, walking, talking, or listening, we can bring our full attention to the experience. This awareness creates a space between our thoughts and actions. Mindfulness is about fully experiencing our emotions without letting them control us. It's about living with greater awareness, intention, and compassion. Simplicity, embracing the essence of life. Zen offers a refreshing alternative to simplicity. Simplicity in Zen is about stripping away the unnecessary to reveal the essence of life. This emphasis on simplicity can be seen in various aspects of Zen life. It is also reflected in the Zen approach to possessions, valuing quality over quantity. Simplicity in Zen extends beyond the material realm. It is about simplifying our thoughts, desires, and attachments. Living simply means finding joy in the simple things and appreciating the beauty in the ordinary. Non-duality, seeing beyond the illusion of separation. Non-duality points to the interconnectedness of all things. Zen teachings suggest that our sense of separation is an illusion. This illusion arises from our tendency to cling to concepts and judgments. Non-duality invites us to see beyond these artificial divisions. It is about realizing that we are not separate from the world. Understanding non-duality is a direct experience that arises through deep meditation. It is through quieting the mind that we begin to glimpse the interconnectedness of all things. Navigating daily life with Zen wisdom. Zen Buddhism holds profound relevance for navigating daily experiences. Zen offers practical wisdom for finding peace amidst chaos. At its heart, Zen encourages us to approach life with a beginner's mind. This means approaching each day with a sense of curiosity and wonder. Imagine encountering a familiar route to work with fresh eyes. This shift in perspective allows us to appreciate the beauty in the mundane. Zen emphasizes living in alignment with our values for a more meaningful life. Finding calm in the chaos, Zen and stress management. In today's fast-paced world, stress is pervasive. Zen offers practical tools for managing stress by changing our relationship to it. Mindfulness provides a powerful antidote to stress. By bringing our attention to the present moment, we can step out of the cycle of worry. Zazen cultivates a sense of inner stillness to weather life's storms. Regular meditation allows us to observe our thoughts and emotions without being swept away. Zen teaches us to accept what we cannot change. By embracing impermanence, we can navigate challenges with greater equanimity. Cultivating meaningful relationships through Zen principles. Relationships bring joy, connection, and challenges. Zen offers insights into fostering more authentic and compassionate relationships. One valuable teaching is the practice of non-judgmental awareness. Zen encourages us to meet others with an open mind and heart. Zen emphasizes the importance of compassion for ourselves and others. By practicing mindfulness in our interactions, we become more aware of our impact. We can choose to respond with kindness and understanding, fostering deeper connections. Bringing Zen into the workplace. A path to focus and fulfillment. The modern workplace can feel at odds with Zen principles. Zen's teachings provide a framework for approaching work with greater focus and purpose. Integrate Zen into the workplace through mindfulness. Taking short breaks to focus on the breath can improve concentration. Bringing mindfulness to tasks transforms them into opportunities for present moment awareness. Approach work with a beginner's mind, embracing challenges as opportunities for growth. By aligning our work with our values, we can experience greater fulfillment and satisfaction. Section 1. The Inner Sanctuary, Cultivating Peace through Zen. In Zen Buddhism, inner peace is found by accepting the present moment with all its joys and sorrows. True peace is not the absence of challenges, but navigating life's ups and downs with a calm mind. Imagine a still pond amidst a bustling city. The surface reflects the city life, yet beneath the water remains still. Zen cultivates a deep inner stillness, unshaken by external turmoil. This peace is discovered through mindfulness and meditation. Observing thoughts without judgment creates space between ourselves and our reactions. In this space, we find peace not dependent on external circumstances. Cultivating inner peace through Zen is an ongoing journey. Meet each moment with acceptance, knowing even difficult experiences are impermanent. Section 2. The Unfolding Self. Zen's impact on personal growth. Zen Buddhism offers a unique perspective on personal growth, one that emphasizes self-discovery rather than self-improvement. It is not about striving to become someone we are not, but rather about peeling away the layers of conditioning and limiting beliefs that obscure our true nature. Zen teaches that we are already whole and complete, just as we are, and that true growth lies in realizing this inherent wholeness. The practice of Zen is like the art of bonsai. Just as a bonsai master carefully prunes and shapes a tree to reveal its inherent beauty, so too does Zen practice help us to cultivate our inner landscape, letting go of what no longer serves us and nurturing the qualities that allow us to flourish. This process of self-discovery is not always easy or comfortable. Zen practice often challenges us to confront our fears, insecurities, and limiting beliefs. Yet it is through facing these shadows that we begin to understand ourselves more deeply and cultivate greater compassion for ourselves and others. As we progress on the path of Zen, we may notice a number of positive changes in ourselves. We may find ourselves becoming more patient, more compassionate, more present, and more accepting of ourselves and others. We may also experience a greater sense of purpose, meaning, and connection to something larger than ourselves. These are not goals to be strived for, but rather natural byproducts of living in alignment with our true nature. Zen's relevance in the modern world. As our exploration of Zen Buddhism draws to a close, we find ourselves not at a final destination, but rather at a new beginning. The teachings of Zen, though rooted in ancient traditions, hold a timeless wisdom that continues to resonate deeply in our modern world. Like ripples expanding across a still pond, the principles of mindfulness, simplicity, and non-duality offer a path to navigate the complexities of contemporary life with greater clarity and peace. Zen reminds us that true peace is not found in external circumstances, but in the depths of our own being. It arises from accepting the present moment, recognizing interconnectedness, and living in alignment with our true nature. This is an active engagement with life, facing challenges with courage and compassion, finding joy in each breath, each step, each moment. In a world dominated by technology and consumerism, Zen offers a refreshing alternative. It invites us to turn inward, cultivate self-awareness, and discover the boundless peace within.